Hey, this is Brian Lindley, WDI Inspections. Excuse me, the light's off in the house because I want to try to see there's some reflections in here to show you what we see. So we've got a little negative drainage, some high soil in the front of the house. This window I'm going to show you is on that front of the house, and on the window sill we're starting to see some abnormalities, which I think may be termite damage either in the wood, underneath the wood, one way or the other, some kind of wood destroying insect. And here's what we see. Flip the camera over. This window here by the front of the house, as you can see, there's almost like a wood grain imprint in the paint. That wood grain tells me there's most likely some voids underneath this paint that they covered up and painted over. And that would show possible wood destroying insects of some sort. Now I've got some ants crawling around the house, and I've got some termite damage in the back of the house, just nothing up front. Now keep in mind I'm going to go under the house in a little bit. This is what we see, and also see a little bit of damage under here. That's showing me that there might be some more damage underneath the bottom. And I'm not seeing anything in the walls except for some repairs. But that's a pretty good sign that there may be termite damage in here, and would ask the buyers to have a pest control company to come out here and do further investigation. Brian, WDI Inspections, thanks, and have a good day.